Rami here, Plumbing Service Solutions. We just got done finishing installing up a hybrid hot for the first time. We actually had a commercial water heater with a 120-gallon storage tank. So we took it out to preserve space and give us something a little bit more efficient. The reason I went for the hybrid hot is, after researching a better system, I just wanted to give them something more advanced, better recovery, kind of more within the times. Instead of having two big old tanks in here, they just have one tank that supports everything. It was super straightforward. I like how easy it was. You basically have a cold inlet, you have a hot outlet, you have a recirc line, and the gas, and then the condensate. I mean, it can't get much easier than that, to be honest with you.